Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to make myself an activity log notebook. I have shopped my stash somewhat, and I am using digitals. All the digitals I'm using are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Unlimited. So I have these clear discs that I picked up several years ago from Amazon. I'm going to make this disc bound. So I'll use those. And I'll probably need to get bigger discs eventually, but for now, these will do. I'll put a link to these discs if they're still available on Amazon in the description box below. I'm going to use these covers, this one that I kind of messed up when I originally shared them with you. But these are clear covers from Isis Ella Jewels, and they're half letter size. They're exactly half letter, so there's no extra room for tabs or anything like that. They're exactly half letter size. So I'm going to use these for the cover. And this is an insert that I just recently uploaded over on Patreon. It's available to all levels. It is an activity log, very simple, very basic. It has a space for the date, a start time, end time, and activity or task. You can use start and end any way you want. You can use activity or task any way you want. I tried to leave it as generic as possible. So I printed several sheets of this and I printed them double-sided. So I just need to cut and punch that. And this is notebook paper, printable notebook paper that I created. This is also available over on Patreon. And you just need to cut that and punch that. And then these two are your basic grid and dot grid. Again, just need to cut and punch. And these are available on Patreon as well. So I think that will be a good start for me for a notebook. I got line paper, I got dot grid, and then my actual log. So I'm going to get everything cut and added to the discs and the covers, and then I will show you what it looks like once I'm finished. All right, so here it is all put together. I don't know what I'm going to put for a cover. Maybe I could make one of those clear dashboards and use that. Also, I did notice that even though I was trying to be very careful to put these covers on the disc, originally I got the little white marks when I did it on my PR social media planner, and I thought maybe I was just being a little too rough, but I was trying to be really careful here, and I think that they were even worse. The dents in the plastic, or I don't know what this is. It's not very flexible. I don't know what you would call it, but I'm thinking I can probably use something from here. Maybe I should take one of these out. Maybe I can use this one and just put these somewhere else. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hang out a little bit, but maybe I can use this until I find something better. But I think it's too big. Definitely. It's gonna hang out. Nope, that's not gonna work. I think it's too big. I didn't like the way it looks. So let's put everything back and then I'll have to come up with something else for the cover. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below what you suggest. I don't think there's anything else in here small that I could use. Um, I could take her out for now. Pretty sure she's the right size. This is available to channel members. Well, it was. This was the April release. And let me see if there's anything else. So yeah, this is April, and they are only available during the month that they are released. So with the first coming up, there will be a new release, and it will be available through the end of the month. Let's see what else I got going on in here. I don't want to use this one. This one was a freebie. I'm not sure you can really see it, but it was a freebie for International Women's Day over on the Facebook group. If you're not a part of the Facebook group, it's a good idea to join because there are freebie Fridays there, off and on. I don't really have a set schedule for them, but I try to do at least one freebie per month. Usually I'll do more. But if you go over to check out the Facebook group and join, make sure you have a profile picture and be sure to answer the questions. I guess that's going to be good for now until I really decide what type of cover I want to do. I kind of want to do like a sticker collage on the cover, but we'll see. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you made your own notebook or planner before? I know I do a lot of DIYs on this channel. So if you are interested in more tips and ideas for DIYs, check out this playlist. I'll put it in the iCard up above. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.